Hello, I'm Mikey Wira Adianda. I am an industrial engineering student at Binasarana Informatika University. I will say little about President Prabowo Subianto. Prabowo Subianto Djokrohadikusumo, born 17 October 1951, is an Indonesia political businessman and former Four-Star Army General Service as the 8th President of Indonesia since 2024. He was previously the 66th Minister of Defense. Under Presiden Joko Widodo from 2019 to 2024. Prabowo is Indonesian third president have a military background after Soeharto and Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, and is the oldest first-term president Indonesian history. Prabowo Subianto graduated from the Indonesian Military Academy on 1917 and primarily served in Special Force until he was appointed lead the Strategic Reserve Command in 1998. Later that same year, he was discharged from the military and subsequently banned from entering the United States for allegedly committed human rights abuses. 70 priority program of the President and Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia Prabowo Gibran. Achieving food self-security, eradicating poverty, eradicating corruption, improving health and medicine service for the people, strengthening national defense, achieving water self-sufficiency, achieving energy self-sufficiency, perfecting state financial revenue, ensuring the availability of and pesticide direct to farmer, continue downstream and industrialization, providing affordable housing for rural community and people in need, eradicating drugs, continue economic quality strategy and developing the IKN, the strategic education, science and technology, carrying out political, legal and durability reforms, ensuring environmental preservation, preserving arts and culture. Hopefully, President Prabowo Subianto program can be implemented and make Indonesia more advanced. Hello. Question word. Question word. Definition of question word. Type of question word formula. Definition question word. Question word or interrogative question word are often used to communicate in English, as reported by Word English. Question words are words for asking questions that are asked to from a noun clause or adjective clause. Thence, question word can be used in direct or indirect sentences. There are many types of question words that are adjust to their function. Type of question word. Who is used to ask about the person in the subject. Example, we have taken about just now. We have taken about just now. Whom. Whom is used to ask about the person in the object. Example, we shall be always loving them. We will be loving. What is used to ask about the activity, verb of the subject or object that it's not a person, such an animal or object. Example, Anna will invite me tomorrow. What will Anna do tomorrow? Where is used to ask about a place. She is cooking chicken in the kitchen, a prison. Where is she cooking chicken, a prison? When. When is used to ask about time. Example, you love Annie every time. When do you love Annie? How. How many is used for countable amounts. Example, I have 5 brothers and sisters. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How much? It's used to ask about countable amounts. It takes a lot of water make a soup. How much water do you need to make the soup? Was. Was is used to ask about ownership. Example, the bag I'm tall taking is yours. Was bag that you are talking. Question word formula. Question word formula to form adjective clause. To form adjective clause, there is not definite formula, then that can always be used because later when using relative pronouns or relative nouns, it will be different. What is certain is that adjective clause always follow the noun or pronoun that is being explained. What you need to pay attention to is actually the use form relative pronouns and relative verb. Relative. Who to replace the subject I, you, we, they, she, Budi, name of person. After that, the word who is always followed by a verb or action word. Example, the student who studies English online is smart. Relative whom function to replace the object me, yours, us, them, her, him, Budi. After the word whom is always followed by the subject. Example, the student who I teach is Budi. Relative was function to replace questioning my, you, ours, theirs, hers, his, its, Budi's. After the word was is always followed by nouns. Example, the student was car is red is Agus. Which, same as wo and whom, except which is used for object or animals. Example, pizza which most people love is not healthy. Where, to explain place. Example, the building where you stay is large. way to explain time. Example, the day when you went away is Monday. Why? Function to explaining reason. Example, give me the reason why you study in English online. Question word formula to form noun clause. Not all noun clause are formed using question word. Noun clause can be composed of two, namely statement and question. If a noun clause is composed based on question, then it will begin by using question word. In this case, the question word will be used, and the question word can also be followed by the word ever, such as whatever, whichever, whoever, and on. Example of question word in noun clause. 1. I don't know who you are. 2. I don't know whatever came to the party. 3. On weekends, we can do whatever we want. 4. Whichever restaurant your pick is fine with me. 5. I wonder how long we shall wait here. Thank you.